I am the Dollar Sportsman. Thank you guys for joining us today. I've got a box from Umarex, and this is a result of doing the challenge, the Heartbreakers challenge, back a month ago when we had to hit 5 shots, 5 targets, 50 yards away. We used the Umarex gauntlet to do it. Totally nailed it. It was awesome. We're gonna open this up. I think my hat should be in here. So, let's get it open. I love unboxings, I really do. Got the hat. There it is, guys. All that work and I got my hat. Wow, that's fancy looking. Zach, you gave me 2 hats. That's right. Thank you, Umarex. I really appreciate it. That is awesome. All right, let's adjust this up. There we go. Yeah, there it is. I'm excited. All right, so we got a second hat right here. And they sent me an extra box. So it'll be interesting to see what's in this box. I have no idea. So let's open her up, see what else they sent me. Alright guys, let's find out. Quick shout out to Columbia River Knife Tools. Great knives. Alright, what did he send me? Okay, let's see what we got here. Dollar Sportsman. What? Dude. They sent me a reflex sight. Axeon Optics. Have you guys heard of that? I hope you have. Axeon Optics is actually a company with Umarex, and they make a few different scopes, etc. And I am super excited to test that out and put this on a pellet rifle and see how we do with it. And I'm excited to try that out. That's excellent. Okay, now let's see what this thing is. Honestly, if it was a burrito, I would be completely happy. Although that would be really gross through the mail, but still, burrito is life. Okay. It's like Christmas, man. What? Dude! Look at that! It's a sight. It's a monocular. See this? Okay, let's see what we got here. Axeon Optic Solutions, 8 times day-night and 3 monocular. That is slick. Hey, I see you. All right, I gotta learn more about this because I don't even know what I'm looking at. Literally, just out of the box, the monocular 8-time optic, figuring this out. But this thing looks sweet, man. Looks like it's got a light, LED, and really clear glass too, man. Here, let's focus that a little bit. Wow. Yeah, that is slick. Here, see if you guys can take a look. Let's point this camera at something, shall we? Okay. That's pretty clear glass right there, folks. You can see the water clear as day. Let me move it away. Put it up again if I can get my alignment right. Yeah, that is awesome. Wow. Hey, Umarex, thank you so much for the hat and for the red dot sight, reflex sight. I'm super excited to try this. Guys, I've never owned a reflex sight actually before. I've had micro red dots, I've had regular red dots, I've had regular scopes, but I've never tried a reflex. So I'm excited to get this mounted up. We'll take it out to the field and we'll test it. And thank you so much for the monocular. This thing is awesome, and it looks like that is super bright. That's why it's day-night, right? Because here in Arizona, we can't have night vision, which I don't agree with personally. I think you should be able to use that when you're out hunting. You can use it for, well, let me correct myself. You can use some things to hunt at night, but in Arizona, that's very restrictive. So it'd be great if there's anybody from Arizona Game and Fish watching this, if we could work on that. That would be awesome. At least for small game, because I'd be out there all the time with my lights, with my stuff, with my night vision, and hunting. Just saying. Let's make it happen. I am the Dollar Sportsman. Thank you guys so much for watching today. We got Umarex in the house. We're gonna go test this out. I'll come back to you with that video more later. See you guys. That's pretty comfortable. Woohoo! Let's give it a shot. Or 2 or 60. We're in bug territory. Yes! Wow. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Yes, I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Having fun out here. I just enjoy all of this because after watching these videos, I hope you do. Yeah, buddy.